Hello everybody and welcome back to Next Tweet. My name is Akash and today we're taking a look at Cardano and see what's happened since our last discussion on Friday. Right, so if you, before we actually get into the details of what's happened since our last discussion, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the crypto market and the daily updates that we post, make sure to click on this bell icon. You can also give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I post both on my YouTube channel and on my Twitter, make sure to also give me a follow at Mangeko with a 0 at the end. Right, I recently posted, like 1 hour ago, I posted this tweet where I took a screenshot of what I discussed on May 27th, which was last Friday, and what's happened since then, which is today, May 31st. Right, so things are looking pretty good here for Cardano. In our last discussion on Friday, I expected Cardano price to bottom in this range over here, which extends from 0.45 to 0.50, and that's exactly what's happened, right? And since bottoming around in this particular box here, Cardano has rallied 55% to set a swing high at, to set a swing high at 0.689. Now this has done a couple of this rally over here has done a couple of things, right? First, this collected liquidity was saying about all of these not equal highs, all of these highs extending all the way up to 0.614, and then it's retested this high time frame resistance level here at 0.677, right? If you have watched the videos that we discussed over the last few weeks, you will notice why these two red levels are pretty important and how there are a lot of underwater investors present here, right? So that said, I think the upside for Cardano is capped at 0.785. I don't see a lot of upside, at least considering the way the market is going, right? If the market condition improves, yes, there could be a chance where Cardano kind of goes up. But, right, this rally has not just collected liquidity objective to the upside, but it has also created a lot of inefficiency, which can be seen on a 1 hour time frame, right? So there was a brief consolidation here between anywhere from 0.54 to 0.51, and quite a few inefficiencies Cardano has left in its wake. Right, so we have these FVGs that extend all the way up to 0.48 to the downside and 0.65 to the upside, right? So like I mentioned in a lot of my videos discussing FVGs, these are price inefficiencies that are formed when the market value of the underlying asset moves away pretty quickly in any direction, right? It happens even during an uptrend, it happens during a downtrend. So the point is, when this happens, right, there is a lot of unexplored territories which are eventually explored as the price moves down. For this trend here, I am expecting Cardano price to head back down to 0.4541 and 0.516, right? And these levels would be a really good buy if you believe that Bitcoin is on a relief rally up to 33k and 36k, right? If you haven't watched the Bitcoin video that I did today, please make sure to go and watch that first, because in that I explained the possibility of a retracement down to crucial support levels on a 1 hour time frame. And with that in mind, there is a good chance Cardano price reverses to the mean. So if you use the fib extension to see what's happening right now, you can know that the mean of this particular uptrend is around 0.567. Now the Cardano price could reverse and form some sort of a base around the 50 retracement level here at 0.567, but I am expecting it to head into a deep discount mode anywhere from 0.516 to 0.541. Like I mentioned, I would be happy to accumulate Cardano anywhere below 0.5 or the 50 retracement level. So as for the upside, right, this time around I'm expecting Cardano price to head all the way up to 0.785, like if I'm being optimistic, but if I'm being conservative, we could prematurely stop the rally at around 0.725. So yeah, assuming we get a retracement down to 0.54, then you're looking at a 35%, 34% rally if you are conservative, and 45% rally if you're expecting the price to retest 0.785, which is a high time frame, super significant support level, resistance level. So as for the downside, right, you don't want to see Cardano produce a daily close below 0.471. If that happens, you can expect the price to sweep the 0.3979 support level, and hopefully the May 12th swing low at 0.384. So that is pretty much it for today's analysis on Cardano. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.